Saturday's precise and important news. Projects worth $75,000 handed over to use. A number of projects worth $75,000, which includes a madrasa, 2 mosques, 10 residential houses, and 5 water wells handed over to use for earthquake-hit families in Gayan district of Paktika province. 47 soldiers graduated after a series of training. The National Defense Ministry says that 47 soldiers graduated from the Command of Joint Combat Training. Railway transportation has increased. Official of the Afghanistan Railway Authority said that 113,971 metric tons of goods have been transported through Heratan, Aqina, and Torghandi ports in the last 1 week. Usurped government land recovered. Ministry of Justice says Land Grabbing Prevention Commission of Ghazni has registered 9,500 acres of usurped land as governmental land in the capital of Ghazni. Another cash package of $40 million has arrived in Afghanistan. A new package of $40 million in cash as humanitarian aid has been delivered to Afghanistan and deposited in one of the commercial banks in Kabul, as determined from the Afghanistan Bank, the country's central bank. Turkmenistan to provide Afghan railway employees with training. 13 Afghan employees went to Turkmenistan for training. Reports indicate that Afghan employees will spend 4 months at a time in Turkmenistan for training. Passengers trapped in snow and severe cold rescued. A number of passengers trapped in snow and severe cold in Kassan district of Herat province were rescued by the 3rd Battalion Border Forces. Humanitarian aid should not be linked to political issues. Islamic Emirate spokesman Zabiullah Mujahid, in response to the recent meeting of the UN Security Council on Afghanistan, said that Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan understands their concerns, but the Islamic Emirate tries to regulate all matters in the light of Islamic Sharia. The Islamic Emirate cannot allow acts against Sharia in the country. Countries and international organizations should understand the religious demands of our nation and not link humanitarian issues to politics.